Okay. I'm kind of failing at this YouTuber thing because I did like this half of my room of cleaning out before I decided to start recording. So I'm starting on my clothes now, besides my swimsuits. I'm just putting all of the stuff in the middle of the floor, and then this is my keep pile and that's my get rid of pile. This is my get rid of pile and that's my keep pile. So I'm getting rid of lots more than I'm keeping, and I'm also keeping all of these decorations as well. I just put them back so that they didn't get broken or anything. I'm gonna keep going, so yeah. I finished my cubicle, so my cubicle's all empty. This stuff is for college, which kind of is a separate pile because I don't need that stuff right now, but I want it out of the way. So all of those are empty. I cleaned out my bookshelf, so there's some books missing, and I'm going to, this doesn't need to be here. I'm going to start going through the lotions that are like half empty. So that one goes first, and then those two in the back go second. That one goes third, and then that's the one that I use usually. So we're gonna try and size down on my lotion collection. Lots of girls like to have Bath and Body Works collections, but I do too, don't get me wrong. But I'm going to college and I have to choose between things, so this is just the easiest way to do it. Went through my dresser, and this is the pile of clothes that I'm getting rid of, which is crazy. That's a lot of clothes, okay? These two bottom drawers used to be full of clothes, but now they're not. They're full of, this one's like pillowcases, hats, and belts, and then this one is just like random stuff that I don't have anywhere to put. So now I'm gonna move on to the closet. Okay, this is kind of crazy. I don't know if you saw how far this was sticking out, but that was probably about there. And this one took up that whole rest of that. And this one probably went about there. And now the pile is that big. That was really hard for me because in the closet, there was a bunch of high school stuff that I got rid of and like just memorabilia stuff. And I used to be a collector of hoodies, which I'm not anymore. And so I got rid of a bunch of hoodies, which made me very sad because I've been holding on to those for quite literally years, but it was time to let go. Got rid of my homecoming dress from last year and my sophomore year. And I got rid of my senior night dress. And I got rid of some skirts some skirts and dresses that are too short or too immodest that they make me uncomfortable, and I need to start transferring my wardrobe into more modest things because of my mission. So yeah, but now I'm gonna go through my shoes, which should go super fast because I already pretty much know which ones I want to get rid of. Things are still really messy, but I'm done for the day because I'm tired. These two bags are full of clothes and shoes and all that stuff. More random crap that I don't know what to do with right now. Garbage. more random crap I don't know what to do with. More random crap I don't know what to do with. That's garbage. And that's my garbage that I emptied. Okay, it's me from the future, but I realized as I was watching those videos back that I didn't explain something. So you probably noticed that my hangers are backwards. It's because I have to limit down what clothes I can take to college, because my closet at school is so tiny. So I have to limit what I'm gonna take. So I figured this way, the clothes that I wear the most, once I pick out a shirt, I take off the shirt, put it on, and then as soon as I put it back on the hanger, it goes the right way again, so that I know which shirts I wear and which ones I don't. Same thing with my hoodies, and then I'm just going to pick the dresses that I want to take. It's day 2 of cleaning out my room, and now I'm on to the shelf closet. I am halfway through this box, and I found my Cinderella collectible Barbie dolls, which I never finished my collection. And trying to decide to get rid of this stuff is really hard for me, because I love these so much, even though I never like opened them or used them. Okay, this is the pile that I'm getting rid of. Everything in this pile is going. It's a few days later, and my room is a mess. Okay, it's a mess, not a mess. It's a mess. Okay. I went college shopping today, and so I've got a lot more junk that has to be in this room. So, got to bring that stuff down. But first, I piled all the stuff I'm getting rid of into a corner. And hopefully this weekend my sister's coming and she can help me get rid of some of this stuff, because she likes to look through the clothes that I get rid of to see if she wants anything. But that's the stuff I'm getting rid of. Now it's time to bring the college stuff down, which is a separate video. So I'm gonna call it here. Thanks for watching my closet clean out. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.